Look, Daddy, I'm eating a escargot. So, Daddy, you're eating. 1, 2, 3.
On a beautiful Sunday, our queen of hearts has baked delicious pies, and Jack of hearts has...
One more.
The king yelled from his seat.
Call the first witness.
Here's my dresser.
Was the Mad Hatter. When the Mad Hatter started to talk on the witness stand in front of the king, Alice suddenly started to grow. The White Rabbit announced that it was time for Alice
Oops, one more.
Hearing her name being called, Alice immediately
Here.
forgetting how big she grew. When her dress tangled on the TV stand, she turned the stand upside down.
Binilihan ko na siya ng toothbrush tsaka ng toothpaste. Yung flavor ng toothpaste na is strawberry milkshake.
The Queen
Tapos,
asked Alice to tell
okay naman kami dito. Ayan.
I don't know anything, Alice answered.
Tapos si Mami nag-text, nanghiram siya. So, nagpadala na ako.
Chop her head
So,
off too.
yun. Love you, bye-bye.
And